I know that earlier on in the year I did say that day 2.0 was my last one. Well, that might not strictly speaking have been true, because it was my birthday the other day. I couldn't help myself, so I had to get one. Because you should have already read the title of the video, you should have a pretty good idea of what's in this box. But in the likely event that you haven't, here we go. I only ordered this yesterday. They said 5 days. See it already. Can you believe it? Give me a coffee. Oh, very nice. Can you believe it? Paperwork. Oh. Here we have it. DJI Air 3 fly mode combo. I just had to have it. Box has had a few knocks, but there you go. As long as inside's okay. Can't believe it came so quick. Yeah, more of it down there. Little tab. Pull that off. Stuff looks like it. So we've got USB-C USB cable, silica gel, straight in the bin, booklet, quick start guide, that will stick back in there, and that, not sure I'll be using that, bag of spare pots, GRC2. One huge power bank with 2 batteries. And the drone. I mean, this bag is lovely. Very well made. I like that a lot. Anyway, let's have a look, see what we've got. Bag of pots. And probably some other stuff. Have a look at this. And I already know this, but the fly mod kit doesn't come with ND filters. DJI, really? Really? There we go. Move your batteries. That's a beast. I remember when I first got the Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 3 battery, I couldn't believe how light it was there. Press and hold the battery release one time. Yeah. Whole different ballgame these things. Whole different ballgame. Very nice. Much better than the Air 2S thing. Let's have a quick look at it again. Control it. These are actually much smaller than I thought they were going to be. I thought they were quite big on the videos I've seen them. Yeah. Very good. And then the main event. This is what I'll do that later. Oops. Do that later. Oh my god, look at this. What a drone. Wow. that is a piece of kit. Oh, there you go. Just pulls on. Turn the everything up. And there we have it. What a wonderful bit of kit. Absolutely gorgeous. It pops out. Pops back in. Chain charge to activate before using for the phone. There we go. One air free. New DJI seat and some batteries. Denver 2.0. Yeah. Very good. Very good.